So as you can see behind us, we managed to cut the hole for the door, and this is basically where the new entrance door will be for this upper apartment. And basically on the last minute we decided that the door will actually not be high enough, because it was kind of going to be at 170, and there are a couple of people that very tall people wouldn't really fit in. So we are gonna go the extra mile, and we are currently building a frame from oak wood that will elevate the roof just for the door, for the entrance door. And this will make things a bit more complicated on the roof, but probably worth it. All right, let's get it done. What's up, guys? So quick update here. What we've done today, it's super hot day, so it's a bit exhausting, but so it's essentially the elevation of the roof for the door, for the entrance door of the apartment that will be in the loft. So this one is pretty much finished. It was a bit tricky to isolate properly because we are kind of, in a bit of a tricky situation. We try not to waste too much wood in additional constructions, since we have to exchange so much more of the timber than initially anticipated. But I think it's pretty good right now. Here we are also planning the window, which will essentially also be the access to the roof later on. Should there be anything to be looked at, because on the other side, the south side of the roof, there will be solar thermal and a solar PV system essentially. So this will be the access window, and we're gonna build it a little later once we kind of finish doing the isolation around it. We will do an elevation, well, basically a frame out of boards, and then we will place the window inside. So the task at hand is now to cover up, basically. So let's get it done. What's up? Quick update on the roof side. So today is not quite that warm, so that's nice. As we can see, here on the left side, the door elevation of the roof is practically done. There are just some technicalities that we still need to figure out in order to see how we're gonna basically join the tiles and make sure this is there's no water gonna come in. And Nico is just trying to basically plan the entrance, or actually everything that holds the window. That will be our exit point to access point for the roof in the future. And as of today, our plan is actually to really finish this area. I'm just putting down the tiles here again. Also here, it's a bit tricky since we are working in trenches and not doing the entire row. We actually noticed that we corrected the angle slightly, which results in some difficulties when it comes to fitting the rows together. So lesson learned at that end. And yeah, so as soon as we've done this, we will be looking at the south side, so the front side, and we will be trying to basically do quite a big piece of the roof in one go and cut out the windows and all do that quite quickly, because Nora and my son are gone for a couple of days, and this is a lot safer since there's a lot of debris falling down, etc. So all right, let's get to it. Alrighty. All right, time has come. We're gonna try to set the door in there. Nico is back in the house and is gonna help me, because essentially the door, it will open towards the outside, which is quite the nuisance to install. So I think being two is gonna be helpful. Let's get to it.